Hey, what's up everyone? Xander here and welcome to another one of my videos. Today we're going to be discussing which winter season pass you may be interested in getting this season, whether you ski or snowboard. I will also unveil which pass I did end up buying at the end of this video, so stick around for that. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. You know, last season I was only able to do A Basin and Aspen Snowmass, as well as Aspen Mountain and Snowbird in Utah. Only? Get a load of this guy. With the Mountain Collective Pass that I had last year. So this season I'm definitely going all in, and I picked up a lot of things that I've learned over the last year or two, not just with snowboarding, but also, you know, photography, filming with action cameras and my Fujifilm. So super excited for this season. I can't wait to show you guys what I have in store. If you're loving my content, definitely smash that subscribe button. Hit the like button also while you're at it too, and let's get this video rolling. So there are three main winter mountain passes everyone is divided over, and it is the Epic Pass, the IKON Pass, and the Mountain Collective Pass. Last season I used the Mountain Collective Pass, and it was pretty great pass, especially for its price point. Loved every mountain I was able to ride on it, and their list is pretty good. So the first mountain pass we're going to look at is Epic. The Epic Pass actually has a sale going on right now, and at the time of recording this video, it actually ends tomorrow. And they have a cyber sale going on where Epic Pass holders can get a discount of up to 20% off all their lodging needs. So that's pretty awesome. But you have to book that by Tuesday, November 30th. So taking a look at Epic's list, you know, they got a bunch of resorts out in the Rockies: Telluride, Vail, Beaver Creek, Breckenridge, and Keystone. So you've got a lot of great options in the Rockies with Epic's Pass. You also have 3 out in California with Kirkwood, North Star at Tahoe, and Heavenly. And then you just have the 2 in Utah with Snow Basin and Park City. You also do get 8 mountains in the east and a couple of international ones like Whistler and 3 in Australia. So definitely something to look into. G'day, mate. You here for some shredding? I don't know why I did that. That was terrible. It was terrible. I apologize to my Australian viewers. You didn't deserve that. So for me, it seems Epic is definitely a strong sell for not only its price, but if you really wanted to shred out in the Rockies and you got a lot of great northeastern resorts, Epic's definitely the way to go. You know, I'll put up a link in the description if you want to get access to their pass. You got all sorts of prices and packages with the Epic Pass, so definitely take a look at that. But definitely, if you're big on the Rockies, I feel like Epic's the way to go. Moving on! IKON. IKON is arguably the most popular mountain pass in out of the whole bunch, and it's the priciest one. Oh, dude, their prices are they're rough. They're a little rough. IKON offers a number of different passes. They start as low as $500, and they make their way up to their premium full access IKON Pass, which is a little over $1,000. $1,000. You do get some limited blackout dates with their IKON Base Pass, which is priced at $879, but you get unlimited riding at 13 destinations and up to 5 days at 31 other destinations, which is pretty wicked. That's a pretty awesome pass. You get, 13 destinations alone, unlimited riding. There are some blackout dates involved, but they're for the most part, it looks like holiday weekends. The premium one gives you up to 7 days of unlimited riding and unlimited riding at 15 destinations. So yeah, if you decide to go big with the premium one and you drop 1K, you know, that gives you up to 7 days of limited riding, and you get unlimited riding at 15 destinations. I would hope so. Dropping over 1K for this. They do offer payment plans, which is pretty great. Especially for their prices. So you do have like the option for a payment plan on whatever pass you do decide to purchase with IKON. And don't forget, you get a rad discount if you're in the military, a nurse, or even if you're just enrolled in college classes. So definitely worth looking into. You can get a substantial discount. I think you get up to $200 off. So or more. You got to take a look at that. If you're a nurse, or you got military, or even a college student, that's worth looking at for sure. So the cool thing they're doing this year with IKON is that you can actually add Jackson Hole and Aspen Snowmass. The only thing is you would have to purchase the IKON Base Pass, plus pay for that benefit of getting those mountains, Jackson Hole and Aspen Snowmass, for an additional $150. That's not too bad, especially if you're a big fan of Aspen Snowmass. That might be worth looking into, and maybe you can combine it with that discount if you're a nurse. Hey. IKON's list is insane. Just look at this list. It's insane. So, I mean, this is definitely worth it if you're an avid skier or snowboarder. Not only do you get access to some great mountains in the Pacific Northwest, but you're getting all sorts of Rockies mountain resorts and Canada Ski Big 3. One of my first vlogs was with the GoPros, and Magic Mike actually was teaching myself, Ice Fred, Vibe, and Ivan how to snowboard, and we were at Ski Big 3. We had Sunshine Mountain Resort, we had Mount Norquay, sorry. Just, yeah, so, you know, that was one of my first vlogs. You can actually catch that mini-series right over here if you haven't already, Project Border Cross. It was actually my first set of vlogs that I came out with this channel. Yeah, that was awesome. Definitely would love to go back to Canada and hit up those mountains. Definitely worth looking into. Last and certainly not least, Mountain Collective. I bought their pass last season, and it was pretty great. It practically pays for itself after 3.5 days of riding, so that's pretty good on whichever mountain you decide to go to. The price point is solid at $589. That gets you 23 locations and 2 full days at each location. Also, you do get 50% off all additional days you decide to snowboard once you've exhausted those 2 days that come with the Mountain Collective Pass. And you get no blackout dates, which is pretty sweet. I do like their list a lot. You got Big Sky, Grand Targhee, Jackson Hole, Lake Louise in Canada. You got Mammoth out in Cali. Snowbird was my favorite. Definitely a top 10 mountain resort in my book. Snowbird out in Utah. I could stay there for days. I love that mountain so much. That's also, it has a special place in my heart. That's when I finally had a sort of breakthrough in snowboarding there. So definitely close to my heart, and also just an awesome killer mountain resort. And you got Alta right next to it. You also do have a mountain in Australia and Chile, which is pretty dope. I mean, it's also kind of random, but yeah. Mountain Collective, you got one in Australia and one in Chile. So if you happen to find yourself in Chile, Mountain Collective's got you. Definitely a lot to digest. I did go ahead and include a link to all 3 passes in the description for y'all, so you can go ahead and click on those links and check out the passes for y'all. And now, the moment y'all have been waiting for. The reason why you're here. Not really, that's kind of messed up. That's not why you're here. That's not why you're watching this video. I don't know why you're watching this video. Thank you if you made it this far. Xander, which pass did you end up getting? Drum roll, please. That looks weird. Bam! Stoked for winter. Yep, I ended up getting the IKON Pass. So yeah, this year I am #Team IKON. Let's open this bad boy. This is the Asmir part of my video that I hope you guys get to enjoy. Clearly struggling to open this. All right, here we go. I really should invest in an envelope opener. I'm sorry. This is the worst Asmir video I've ever attempted. What, is this super glued? All right. Oh, nice. Okay, IKON. The season is in your hands. Check it out. Look at that. Loving the clean look of this, IKON. Yeah, pay good money for this. I hope it's nice. So you open that bad boy up. Ooh, nice. Check it out. You got all sorts of like, all right, so it says here, get stoked. You swore to send it, you vowed to chase POW, you profess to spark up the sesh, and always carve out the time to get out. Now your pass is here, adventure awaits, and the stoke is all yours. Enjoy. IKON Pass family. I think I will enjoy this. I hope. You open that up and, oh, look at that. You got all sorts of like nice little goodies here. Let me get my pass off there. Who is that sexy devil? All right, so you got the pass here. We got all sorts of little goodies in here. So you get like a little patch. Find your line at IKON Pass. Check that out. Pretty cool. Put that on a backpack or something. I don't know. I got a couple friends who are big on patches and pins, so that's pretty cool. And you get a little match to win scratch off here. I might win either a pair of Stan socks, backpack of theirs, or a trip for 2 to an IKON Pass destination. Let's see if I won anything. I didn't win anything. Okay, well, whatever. That's fine. It's okay. You also got some cool stickers here with IKON there. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, it's kind of cute. You got another cool, rad holographic sticker here, too. Look at that. Check that out. Pretty dope. Not bad. Whole magnet set here of gnarly snowboard vocabulary. Pretty dope. More stickers. Yeah, IKON they went ham on the stickers this year. And then you have the IKON Pass sticker right there. You can put that on your laptop or your car or whatever. I don't know, but I don't know. I'm not a sticker guy. Oh, there you go, IKON Pass. I am hashtag Team IKON this year. Okay, so all right, so you guys are probably wondering, okay, Xander, why'd you end up getting the IKON Pass? So I ended up getting the base pass with the add-on for Jackson Hole and Aspen. I'm actually flying out next month. I've already booked the trip and everything. I'm flying out to Wyoming next month to get some work done in Yellowstone National Park. I was able to snag a permit to get into Yellowstone National Park in a non-commercial guided snowmobile access permit. So that's going to be part of a project I got in the works next month while I'm in Wyoming. I'll have a separate video discussing that project soon. So I will be visiting Jackson Hole. I am super stoked about it because I missed out on it last year with my Mountain Collective, and the GoPros went without me. I'm not salty about it, I swear. I'm not salty about it. I'm not. Okay, I'm a little salty about it. You know, I really wanted to visit that mountain, so I had to get that add-on for the base pass, so I'm super stoked. You know, if you're a local or frequent visitor of Jackson Hole, please do give me some recommendations. I'm dying to know what's out there. I heard that Teton Valley is a nice area. You know, you got a lot to do in Jackson Hole from what I've heard, so I'm definitely looking forward to it. I'll be out there the week before Christmas, so definitely don't be a stranger, say hi. Give me some recommendations in the comments below, guys. Let's hear it. Just looking at the list of mountains between the passes, I absolutely loved IKON's selection. The mountains I'm most interested in riding on this pass are going to be Jackson Hole, Aspen Snowmass, and Snowbird again. You know I gotta go back to the bird. Come on, it's Snowbird. Who doesn't love it? At least top 10 resort. Big Sky, we got Crystal Mountain and Summit at Snoqualmie. I hope I said that right. I'm pretty sure I said that right. Schweitzer, sorry, that's the Swiss German in me that I picked up. That's how it should be pronounced. I've seen people say Schweitzer, Schweitzer, but I mean, I'm pretty sure it's pronounced Schweitzer. It's Swiss German. Schweitzer. Anyway, whatever. I'm super stoked for Schweitzer. That mountain looks incredible. Steamboat, Killington, you know, that's at least 9 mountains right there that I'm trying to hit. You got so many others on this list that I'm probably going to end up going to. So, I mean, those mountains alone going to be worth it to me. If you made it this far to the video, thanks so much for sticking around. If you haven't already, hit that like button. Comment, tell me which pass did you end up getting? Which mountains are you most excited to hit this season? Tell me. I'm interested to know what you guys think. I'm super stoked to see y'all out there. I hope this video was somewhat helpful. Got some decent information out of this, I hope. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, I'm Xander, and I'll catch you all on the wild side.